Chapter number 1, exercise 1A, question number 1 to question number 8. Homework was given to you. If you found any type of any kind of difficulty in that questions, so you are supposed to drop a personal message to me. I will clear your doubts. Okay. Then from question number 9, I'm starting. Question number 9 is given. Form the greatest and smallest 3-digit numbers. From the greatest and smallest 3-digit number using any 3 different digits. Using any 3 different digits. Okay. With the condition that the digit 6 is always at unit or ones place. Okay, so it is given in question. We have to form greatest and smallest 3-digit number. Any 3 different digits we have to use, but only condition is what? In the unit place, in the ones place, you have to write 6. So as you know, 3-digit greatest and smallest number we have to form. So ones, tens, 100. This is ones, this is tens, and this is 100. Now in this particular question, numbers are not given to us, but you know very well that we are having 0 to 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Because all other numbers, whatever we are using in our daily life or in our questions, comprises 0 to 9. मीन्स जितने भी नंबर है वो 0 और 9 के बीच में जो नंबर हमसे ही बने होते हैं. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल 33 है, 33 3 और 3 से मिलके बना है. ठीक है, तो 0 से लेके 9 तक कोई भी नंबर्स आप यूज़ कर सकते हैं यहाँ पे. अब पहले फॉर्म करते हैं ग्रेटेस्ट. अब ग्रेटेस्ट में देखिए, द फर्स्ट कंडीशन इज गिवन व्हाट एट यूनिट प्लेस यू हैव टू राइट 6. सो एट वंस प्लेस वी विल राइट 6. Okay, now you are having 2 vacant places here, tens and 100. Now we have to form greatest number. So you know very clearly that 0 to 9, the greatest number is 9. So write 9. Then after 9 means already 9 we have used here. So after 9, which is the greatest number here? So that is 8. So the greatest 3-digit number is 986. Okay. Now the smallest 3-digit number, again the same, ones, tens and 100. In ones place we have to write 6 because that is given in question. Okay. Now the smallest we have to use. So 0 to 9 we have to use here. And in the last video I told you clearly that number cannot begin with 0. You are not supposed to write 0 in the starting. Okay, so we can't write 0 here. Then if we can't write 0 here, then after 0, which is the smallest number, that is 1. So we will write here 1. Then after 1 we will write 0. Okay, so 106 is the smallest 3-digit number with the condition that 6 at the ones place. So these two are your right answer. Okay, then same question number 10. Form the greatest and smallest 4-digit number. So 4-digit means what? Ones, tens, 100, 1000. Same, ones, tens, 100, 1000. Okay, using any 4 different digits. Again 4 different digits you have to use. So from 0 to 9 you can use any digit. Okay, then with the condition that digit 5 is always at tens place. Now this is your ones, tens, 100, 1000. Similarly ones, tens, 100, 1000. Now it is given in the question that digit 5 is always at tens place. So where is our tens place? This is our tens place here. So we have to write here what? 5. Okay. Now the greatest number we are forming. So again the same thing, from 0 to 9. 9 is the greatest digit you are having. So first you have to write 9. Then after 9, second largest number is 8. Then 5 is already used there. You can't use any other digit. So 9, 8, 5. Okay. Then after just this 9, 8 is used here. Okay. Then the third largest digit is 7. So 9857 is the greatest 4-digit number with the condition that 5 is at tens place. Now what about the smallest 4-digit number? Again the same condition, 5 we have to use at tens place. So write 5 here. Okay. Now smallest 0 to 9. Whenever we have to form smallest digits, we are supposed to use smallest number, smaller number. So again the same thing, you can't begin with 0. Okay. So we will start from 1. Then after 1 you can write 0. Now 0 to 9 numbers we are having 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So 1 is used here, 0 is also used there, 5 is also used. Okay. The next smallest number in this digits is 2 only. So write 2. So in this way you have to form greatest and smallest digits. Sorry, numbers. Okay. Okay, next is question number 11, fill in the blanks. But in that fill in the blanks, uh, the largest number of 5 digit, then the smallest number of 6 digit. So whenever you are having terms like largest number, greatest number, okay, so the largest number of 5 digit. So in this particular condition, it is not given that you can't repeat the digits. Only it is given that what will be the largest 5 digit number. So as you know, from 0 to 9, 0 to 9, the largest number is 9 here. So the largest number of 5 digits will be like 99,999. Okay. The greatest is same, 99999, means largest or greatest. Largest and greatest both are same. So whenever you are having question like largest number of 3 digits, so 999. Largest number of 8 digits, so 999,999,99. So this is your required answer. Okay. So whenever you are having largest or greatest, write like that. And what about smallest? That is very easy. Whenever you are having smallest, okay, so the smallest number of 6 digit, for example, smallest number of 6 digits. So smallest number of 6 digits we have to form here. So from 0 to 9, as you know, the smallest digit is 0, but a number cannot begin with 0. So for that reason we are using 1. So smallest number of 6 digits, first you have to write 1. Okay. Then followed by zeros, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and that is 6. तो कभी भी जैसे से क्वेश्चन आता है कि ग्रेटेस्ट 4 डिजिट नंबर क्या होगा, तब आपको 9 से स्टार्ट करना है, क्योंकि वहाँ पे आप रिपीट कर सकते हो विदाउट रिपीटेशन, कहीं पे भी नहीं लिखा हुआ है. अगर विदाउट रिपीटेशन दिया हुआ है तो आप इनको रिपीट नहीं कर सकते, सेम सेम नहीं लिख सकते. ठीक है. सो यू हैव टू रीड क्वेश्चन केयरफुली. So, and what about the smallest? Whenever you are having questions of smallest number, you are supposed to start by 1, from 1, then zeros you have to write. Okay. Another example, smallest number of 5 digits. Smallest number of 5 digits. So write 1, then 5 digits you have to form. So 1 is already here. So 2, 3, 4, 5. So 10,000 is your required answer. Okay, so this is smallest 5 digit number. For example, greatest 2 digit number 99. smallest टू डिजिट नंबर दैट इज़ 10। अब देखो यहाँ पे 99 के बाद सीधा क्या आता है, 100 आता है, और 100 कितना हो गया, 3 डिजिट हो गया। तो इसीलिए 99 जो है वो ग्रेटेस्ट टू डिजिट नंबर है। मीन्स 99 के बाद ऐसा कोई टू डिजिट नंबर नहीं है जो उससे ग्रेटर है, ठीक है। देन स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर, स्मॉलेस्ट इज 10, टू डिजिट स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर इज 10। आफ्टर 10 वी आर हैविंग 11, so you can't consider 11 as a smallest two digit number. Why? Because 11 के पहले तो 10 आता है और 10 भी टू डिजिट नंबर है, so that is the reason. Okay, so in fill up question number 1 you can solve. The question number 2 is the difference between smallest number of 4 digits. The difference between smallest number of 4 digit. So as you know, smallest number of 4 digit is what? Start by 1 and 0 0 0. So the smallest number of 4 digit is 1000. Then greatest number of 3 digit. So now greatest we have to start by 9, so 999. Now in the question it is given we have to find difference between smallest number of 4 digit and greatest number of 3 digit. So 1000 minus 999. So just subtract here, 10 minus 9 1, then this is 9, this is 9, and this is 0. So 9 minus 9 0, 9 minus 9 0 0. So only 1 is the difference. Okay, so in this way you can solve question number 3, question number 4, question number 5. Okay, one more question, question number 11 4. On adding 1 to the largest 5 digit number, what we will get. Okay, 1 ऐड करना है हमको, किस में ऐड करना है, 5 डिजिट लार्जेस्ट नंबर में. तो एज यू नो लार्जेस्ट 5 डिजिट नंबर is 99999, 99,999. Okay, then what we have to add on adding 1, that means on adding 1, so we have to add 1, so we will write here 1. Okay, then 9 plus 1 10, 0 this side, 1 carry, then again 0, 1 carry, again 0, 1 carry, again 0, 1 carry, then last 10. So 1 lakh we are getting here. That means if we will add 1 to the largest 5 digit number, our answer will be what, 1 lakh, and 1 lakh is what, 1 2 3 4 5 6, smallest 6 digit number. Okay, this is very easy, you can solve question number 11.